how to lock or unlock the SIM card on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to password and security. Okay, you can tap this. Here in password and security status section, scroll down and go to advanced option. Okay, you can see below. Here in advanced option, you can see here the SIM lock. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the lock SIM. So require PIN to use phone. So if you want to lock your SIM, okay, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side of this lock SIM and the pop-up are show. Okay, you need to create or require the PIN to use your phone. So for my example, I set PIN into 1, 2, 3, 4, and after you set the PIN, click or tap OK button on the pop-up to lock your SIM. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully locked your SIM. So if you want to unlock again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side and enter the PIN. Okay, the PIN is 1, 2, 3, 4, and after you enter the PIN, okay, tap the OK button on the pop-up, and now you have successfully unlocked the SIM. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully locked or unlocked the SIM on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.